Again, again, again. Mata, ilang, maliliit. Masarap kumain, bilang maliit, nagsasabi kang sinungaling. How about baby Jesus?
Baby Jesus, baby Jesus. Since you know I love you very much, very much.
Wow, good job. What else?
Two only.
I do only. Oh, tell them, what's your name?
What's your name?
No, my name.
My name
is what?
My name is Forrest Daphne.
Justin,
Justin,
Daphne.
Daphne, Flores.
Very good. How old are you? You say it. I am
I'm in
3 years.
old.
Very good. Are you going to school later?
Yes.
Yes. What are you going to do there?
Step, step. Like that, huh?
Okay. Don't step on the water. Hey. You're still sleepy? You want to sleep what? Huh? Here go. Your slippers is small, no? Hmm?
Yes, that's for baby.
That's for baby. Not for you, na?
That's for Justin.
That's for Jess. Are you a baby? No, you're a
Justin.
Justin. You're a princess. Are you a princess?
Yes.
Yes. Where did you saw Mamu? Where? No. Where did you go? You saw Mamu at? Where?
Angkat.
Anggat. Ay.
Ang